Most men think TRT will turn them into a sex god, able to go whenever they want. Testosterone is a sex hormone after all, right? Yes, but more testosterone isn't going to automatically turn you into Greek god Eros. Because there is a lot more to sex drive and bedroom performance than just testosterone. And if the real problem is body fat, fitness, bad recovery or struggling relationship, TRT isn't going to fix that. That is the trap. The first thing men underestimate is body fat and fitness. Lots of men think if desire or performance drops, it must be hormones. Sometimes it is, but sometimes the truth is much more simpler than that. You are heavier than you used to be, less fit and less confident in your own body than you used to be. Lots of men underestimate how much physical and cardiovascular fitness affects bedroom performance. Even relatively small increase in body fat can make a noticeable difference. Lower fitness can make a difference too. I feel the fitness side of that very clearly myself. If you are more out of breath, less fit, carrying more fat, or you can barely move, that will show up very quickly. And confidence matters as well. If you don't feel good about yourself, that changes how you show up. So before blaming testosterone for everything, it's worth asking a harder question. Is it really low testosterone? Or am I heavier, less fit, and less confident than I used to be? The second thing men underestimate is how much stress and recovery affects sex drive and performance. Lots of men blame testosterone for low sex drive, when they are really just tired, overstimulated and under-recovered. If you sleep badly, drink too much, work too much, and then you still try to train hard on top of that, your whole system starts paying for that. And from personal experience, overtraining or pushing too hard in the gym or sitting in too high of calorie deficit matters as well. We need drive to chase. And if your body feels run down, that drive gets blunted everywhere. You are not just tired in the gym. You are tired in the bedroom as well. And if this is you, the answer may not be more testosterone. It may be more sleep, a walk, or few minutes of breathing and calming your nervous system down instead of pushing it even harder. Modern life is stressful enough as it is. Lots of men are trying to run full speed all the time and then wonder why some things are not working properly. Because the real problem is if your whole system is exhausted, TRT isn't going to fix that. And then there is the part lots of men do not want to admit. Sometimes the problem is the relationship itself. If the relationship is unhealthy, distant, or just slowly falling apart, that can affect sex drive and bedroom performance very quickly. You can raise testosterone, you can improve libido and energy, but TRT isn't going to repair emotional distance, unresolved conflict, or relationship that no longer feels safe, close, or connected. And this is hard for men to admit, especially if they have been with their partner for many years. Build life together, have children. It's hard, I know, I've been there. Sometimes the problem is not hormonal at all. Sometimes the real issue is what is happening between the two people. So the real question is not just whether your testosterone is low. It is whether your relationship is actually in a good place. Because if the relationship is the real problem, TRT isn't going to solve what hormones were never the cause of. So yes, testosterone matters. Of course it does. But not every problem in the bedroom is low testosterone. Sometimes it's body fat or poor fitness. Sometimes it is stress, bad sleep, alcohol, or body that's simply under-recovered. And sometimes it is the relationship itself. That is the trap. Men see a sex problem and assume it must be testosterone and go chasing ghosts. So before you assume you need more testosterone, consider whether there may be other causes. And if you want to evaluate your low T symptoms, I have linked my low T symptoms guide in the description. If you want more honest content on TRT, health and rebuilding yourself properly, subscribe.